Hi, my name is Aries. I'm a process technician in the OTAP department here in Starlim North America. My responsibilities are mold setup and startup and process optimization. I do measurements of the parts. I make sure that the parts are within the tolerance. All the design on the details are okay. I make sure that the IMM runs stable so it can produce good part consistently. One of the things that I looked at too is if there's any defects on the parts, I stepped in and do the troubleshooting. What I enjoy about my position is I get to learn something new every day, also being a part of the technology improvement. Lastly, Starlim North America is a very friendly culture. They're very supportive. It's a safe and clean environment to work. What makes me successful in this position is my past experience when I was in the automotive industry. I have gained experience having knowledge in basic PLCs and also being hands-on in a mechanical aspect. Having to look at the complexity of the drawings is a very good plus in the position. I've been working here for over a year and I'm really looking forward to continue developing my career in my position.